Now coming to the next important topic, that is the acceptance criteria for concrete as per IS 456-2000. Now this is very important. From this topic a lot number of questions and even numericals also have been asked in previous year GATE examination, right? And not just GATE, in other examinations also. So this topic is important. As I have told you, I will be telling you only those clauses which are important for GATE perspective, right? Otherwise, you know that in IS 456 there are a lot number of clauses, okay? So what does it say? It says that if the grade of concrete is M15, if the grade of concrete is M15, then the individual strength, individual means, I told you that whenever we are testing cubes, we have 150 into 150 into 150 mm cube, right? So whenever we are testing the cubes in universal testing machine, UTM or compression machine, then what we get? We get individual strength of every cube. So the code says that the individual strength of every cube, it should not be smaller than FCK minus 3. It should always be greater than FCK minus 3, okay? The next thing, then only it is accepted. The next thing is the average strength. The average, or you can say the mean strength of all the samples, it should be equal to FCK plus 0.825 sigma or FCK plus 3 maximum of the two. Okay, so this is the code has specified the acceptance criteria for concrete, right? Now the question is, so you told us that the average strength is FCK plus 1.6 times of sigma. So what is this? So actually what is this is that I am telling you in short. For example, let us say you are making concrete at site, right? So at site, exact conditions which you can perform in laboratory cannot happen, right? So there can be some disbalance, right? So for that, the IS code has given some acceptance criteria. That suppose that you are making concrete at site, right? It's not time to go as per the IS code, not actually as per the 1.65 times of sigma. So what you have to do, if your average strength comes out to be greater than or equal to FCK plus 0.25 sigma or FCK plus 3 maximum of the two, you accept the concrete. You can lay the concrete at site, right? So that is the acceptance criteria for concrete as per IS 456. Now the second thing is, which is important, that is for M20. Now individual strength is FCK minus 4. This question was asked in GATE examination, in theoretical question, okay? And the average strength, it is FCK plus 0.25 sigma, FCK plus 4 maximum of the two. Okay, so this is important. So I hope you have understood this topic. Now the next thing is, which I will be teaching you, is the strength in concrete, which is very important because based on the basis of the strength, a lot number of questions are asked in examinations. Okay, so the next topic is strength in concrete.